Sakubona mfundi. I bring you 5 more Ndebele words, easy words that will help you as you learn Ndebele, as you practice your Ndebele. Okay, my name is Bongiwe Mdambo and asiqalise. The first word I have for you is ichukela. Ichukela means sugar. Ngitelela ichukela. Pour me some sugar. Number 2, isawudo, salt. Okay, faka isawudo, add the salt. Okay, add the salt, put in the salt. And number 3, amafuta. Amafuta means oil, and obviously if we're talking about food, it means cooking oil. So here is a sentence using amafuta. Later amafuta, bring the cooking oil. Number 4, impuphu. Impuphu means millimill. Ingaphi impuphu? Where is the millimill? And lastly, idobi. Here is a sentence using idobi. Idobi is peanut butter. Okay, so idobi limnandi. Peanut butter is delicious. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.